up, guys? Good morning. We're working on an Audi Q7. We're doing, I think, cleaning a vacuum leak. No, Q5. We're cleaning a vacuum leak. That's how the leak looks. I'm gonna do an edit of the cleaning. We're gonna vacuum it all out.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What's up, guys? So we gotta wait for the housing for the Audi. We're working on it. He did the vacuum and he cleaned it. We gotta wait for the parts. The parts didn't come in yet. And then we're working on the, if you guys guessed right in the shorts video, we're working on the Q7. The whole engine. We're doing a lot of things to it. I'm gonna do a time lapse.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you guys what we took off in the time lapse. So we took the top, the supercharger, and then we took the wires over here. There's a couple of wires over here. And then we started working on the GTI. So guys, this is the GTI we're working on. I think it's a 2012. We were doing the wiring over here. Just one of the wires were out, unplugged. They weren't working, and then that's pretty much it. And I think he needs a bracket over here. What's up, guys? So I wanted to show you guys my new car. I got a new Audi A3. Got that gray interior. I'm not sure if it's a S-line, but put in the comments if you guys know. It's a 07 front wheel. I can't wait for this build. I'm gonna do a lot of upgrades to it. I like the front grille. The front grille is nice. Let me know in the comments, guys. You like the honeycomb grill or this grill? I think this grill is nice, but people like the honeycomb. And then yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna do upgrades though, so stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you guys everything done to the car. It's a 2.0 turbo. I'm really excited for this build though. It's almost like a wagon, but they call it's a hatchback. Yep, it needs new brakes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out.